Hi, I'm Matthew. Welcome to my channel, and today we're going to do a shave video. Real quick, I need to wet my face. It is Sunday and my haircut is it's growing out pretty quick. Today's shave soap is going to be by Barrister and Mann, and this is Seville. Now, I've had this soap for 3+ years, and I am to the bottom. I actually had to do some bowl lathering with it. Now, this was one of the scents that I had gotten, kind of right off into testing the artisan soaps. And though I am happy to see the bottom of the shave tub, I am also happy to see this soap go. Because for me, it's got a little bit too much of the lavender and the rosemary and the patchouli in it. And to me, it's supposed to be a really nice barbershop scent. And I know the market is flooded with barbershops, but this isn't exactly a barbershop scent that I would think of. I'm thinking more, this is probably dated way, way back, but I'm thinking more of like the 50s and 60s barbershop scent. That's what I would like. And it's got, it's going to be a little bit more of a powdery scent, but not like the newer barbershops. This was back when barbers were probably pulling teeth and doing the bloodletting and all that stuff. So the herbs and spices they used back then to mask the scents of dead, rotting flesh. That's what I'm sorry, but the scent is not for me. And back then, they had a different smell that they enjoyed. But on the bright side, I'm using my beautiful Trotters Retro, look at that beautiful thing, brush. And today's razor is going to be the PAA Prismatic razor, and I really enjoy this little razor. The blade of choice is going to be the Gillette 7 o'clock yellow blades, and I show that package because this particular blade, see if I can cut my finger open, is one of those ones that's laser etched, and so it's near impossible to show you the logo on it. So we're just going to remove the top cap, and it's the one that has the studs there in the top, and you can see all those nice little markings from the glue tabs, which makes it a little bit of a pain, because when you put these together and it smashes those glue dots, it's like gluing the blade and the cap and the base plate together. So that's one of those things, and I always want to double check the alignment on this. Looks good. There it is. And be mindful of the edge sticking out. And I'm already lathered, so I don't know why I'm putting the razor back down, because I'm ready for the shave. Here we go, pass number 1 with the grain. I have a couple days worth of growth, and you probably can't see it, but I was coming in hot the other day with my straight razor and nicked my ear. If you have nicked yourself with a straight razor, comment below and let me know. I think it's probably a rite of passage. You must do that every once in a while. Never be overconfident or zealous with your blade. Be mindful that it is a tool, and a very good cutting tool. This particular razor blade is a nice blade. I prefer it over the black and the green blades. It's pretty sharp. I don't really get any irritation from the blade, but I will say that I get lesser amounts of shaves out of it than other blades that I enjoy. But I've got several of them, and I thought, you know what? It's time to start gnawing away at them. Go ahead and get lathered up. We'll pass number 2. Oh yes. This will be the last time I smell this scent. And it took some time. I know a lot of people love this scent, and there's nothing wrong with it if you enjoy it, but it's just not for me. And I wasn't at the point of wanting to sell it. And I know some people sell their soaps, but some people don't. And for whatever reason, I just thought for the price of it, I don't have a matching splash. I'll be using the Sterling Glacial. So it's a little bit more difficult just to sell a soap. And for as powerful as the scent is on this soap, I'm glad I didn't try the splash, because I'm sure it would have been overpowering. If I remember right, I'm pretty sure I'd actually bought that on Amazon. I'd have to go back and look. And I know since then the labels have changed a little bit. So, and I'm just doing a little different progression of my shave. Razor has no issues mowing through the stubble. Oh yeah. All right. I'm going to get cleaned up with some cold water, and I will be right back. Oh yes. And now it is time for some Glacial aftershave splash. One of my favorite parts of the shave. Oh yeah. And some star jelly. Well, that's going to be my shave for the day. Didn't really have a whole lot to talk about today, but I'll put a little picture right there of everything I used. And I will see you guys on next Sunday's shave. You have a great rest of your week.